Gagan Mahal, the palace tour. You can see that after so many decades, most of the Gagan Mahal is in ruins today. However, the three main majestic arches symbolizing the strength and glory of the Adil Shahis still stands proudly, a stark reminder of the building in its glory days. The central arch is largest among the three and the most majestic with a span of over 60 feet. The facade of the palace consisting of the three arches has been part of Indian postcards for a long time. The palace building consists of two floors. The upper floor was the residence of the Sultan, while the ground floor serves as the Darbar Hall. The hall closely resembles an opera stage set. You will notice that it is completely open on side. This was done so that the audience can have an unobstructed view of the proceedings from outside the hall. There is also a platform from where the king used to address the court. There were once pathways and staircases inside the palace that led to special rooms from where the royal family could watch the various spectacles happening in the courtyard, such as wrestling, music, and sports. These rooms also ensured that the residents were offered privacy and would remain safe and away from the sights of onlookers. Although much of it cannot be seen now, there used to be a great deal of woodwork in Gagan Mahal. The complete ceiling of the main hall was constructed of wood, being supported by heavy beams, wooden window frames, and projecting balconies and pillars. Most of them were painted and gilded in dazzling style to give a royal atmosphere. The upper level of the palace consisted of the residential quarters and the galleries. They say that the upper floor used to be supported by intricately carved wooden beams and pillars. But today, the building is a roofless structure devoid of the decorations. It has become a skeletal remnant of the original palace. Take a nice walk around the palace and let the historic experience enrich you. Exploring these ruins teaches us an important life lesson that nothing in the world lasts forever. Even the so-called Palace of Heavens faded with the passage of time. What doesn't fade away, however, are the stories and memories. The Gagan Mahal may be a relic from the past, but the stories of its history is still told with great excitement. In our lives too, we must realize that the material things never last very long, but the memories we create are timeless and will live on forever. With this passing thought, let us take leave of the Gagan Mahal and move onwards to the next historic location.